Hey everybody, Silver Boss here. I started my next project. I'm going to work on a Freddy Krueger glove. I don't know if I'm going to go true to the movie because the glove in the movie has some flaws. You're not able to fully bend your fingers because the pieces for the fingers go from right there down to the palm of the back of the hand. So the only thing you can move is your front fingers. So, I'm not sure if I'm going to go true to the movie. Anyway, what I've done is, I've got these old leather gloves, and I went ahead and I stained one to make my Freddy Krueger glove. So now I have that ready. It's still drying. I have taken a bar of metal and I have cut some knives. I'll get a little more work done as I go. I just didn't want to make them perfect yet, but I've made 4 of them. They're about the same length, same size. Went ahead and cut the same cuts into them. And if you remember from the movie, right here, this side of them is actually cut thinner, so they'll be about half as wide as this. And this would be the blade side. That's because in the movie, they used filleting knives as Freddy's knives. So the next thing, after getting the knives and the glove ready, and you can use the right or left glove, it doesn't matter. Robert Englund used the right side, but if you're a lefty, make one for the left. This is your own glove. The next thing you got to do is cut out a bunch of little pieces of copper pipe. So what I have here, I've got some old copper water pipe, and I've gone ahead and I've split it a long ways. That won't be enough for the whole glove, but I'm going to be cutting these out based on the measurements of my fingers while my fingers in the glove. This way I can flatten them out, and I will cut these and shape them and put them together on the glove. I will be soldering the blades to the copper before I put them on the glove. If you put the glove in first and try to do this is going to be a lot harder, for one, and 2, you risk burning up your glove. So, think ahead, think smart, be safe, don't do anything stupid. Downside. My cutoff wheels for my large metal cutter have disappeared. I can't find them. So I have to do everything with my flex shaft, the one I use for making jewelry. So, and granted, I haven't made any jewelry in a little while. That's not entirely true. I just haven't posted anything of it on here. I've done a lot of gold work, but oh, while I have you, I should show you something else I did. I have made, and he's going to get some more paint work, this giant Grim Reaper. And if you flip his head up, his head lights up. Plus, I've got a lantern for him here too. Now imagine this guy with a fog machine behind him and a strobe light above him shining down, just flashing down on him like lightning. And that's going to go out with my other props that I've made. I guess I could show you some of the... You guys have seen the zombie, but I don't know if I showed you the finished product. Here he is. I tore him open. You can see the guts. I made that chain too. And then this guy needs a lot of work. This is a zombie I made 8 years ago. And he's been in that cage for a very long time. So, lots of stuff been going on. Took a week to build that guy. Took me 4 hours to make the Grim Reaper. Used all materials that I just had laying around. Except for the Reaper. He's going to get some more paint on the robes, which will make him look better. And he'll get moved outside. But anyway, I'm going to get back to work on this glove. And as I progress, maybe I will make some videos and show you the progress. If you want to make one of these, an easier way is online. Supposedly, somewhere, is a free set of the templates for making all these parts. I couldn't find it, so I'm going to make it to fit my hand personally. And yeah, my designs will have a little differences, but in the end, it'll still look just like Freddy's glove. It's the same principle, just with my twist on it instead. Anyway, until I post the next video, follow along, like the video if you want to see more, because it's up to you guys. If I don't see any hearts on these videos, I don't know if anybody likes them. So, take a minute, hit that heart button, follow me if you want to see more videos, and let me know what's up. So, anyway, till next time, goodbye.